Hey, this is Sean Shirk here, and I wanted to share this with anyone who wanted to get into creative real estate or simply start doing more deals. Now, the problem that almost all new investors run into is that in order to find and close deals, you suddenly have to know everything. You have to have the right systems, the right techniques, the right documents, and more. There is a lot. But the good news is things just got a whole lot easier. Now, instead of going on that uncertain treasure hunt, you can start from day one with all the right answers by using Creative REI Reply, the creative real estate business in a box. Now, come with me and see what the day in the life of a Creative REI Reply user looks like. All right, guys, here we are in the Creative REI Reply system. So the first thing I wanted to share, instead of spending all your time on admin where you're pulling lists, skip tracing them, and uploading them, you now don't have to worry about any of that. You just tell us where you want to do real estate and we upload and text leads for you every single day when you decide that you want to do real estate. So as you can see in my account, I have a lead right here that was uploaded for me and texted for me with the right campaign who's interested in getting an offer. So let's see what we can put together. All right, we just got off the phone with the seller and I think we have something good we can pull together. As you can see, I have all of my notes here. The value's around 30K, it's vacant, it's free and clear, doesn't need too much work, and she's looking to sell without an agent, without having to do repairs, since she's out of state. Looking for about 25K and doesn't need it all up front. Best time to call, sometime after 5. I think this could be a good seller finance deal. Let's see if we can put something together. I'm here in the training center, just a click away. And as you can see, I have everything I need in order to do a creative deal. I have all the documents I need, every way to buy creative real estate, how to scale, and how to sell creative real estate. But right now, I'm only interested in trying to put the seller financing deal together. So let's see what's in here. Perfect. I can open up the training right here, go to deal structuring, click, and I can see exactly how to structure this deal, listen to real seller finance closing calls so I know how to close the deal, and also use the documents to put together my offer. Let's see how it goes. All right, so you've seen how we use the system to buy properties, but that's only half the battle. Now you have to see how we start realizing that profit by using our rent to own system. Now, normally it would take tons of time managing individual messages, pre-qualifying people, and making it so you can only do deals in your own backyard. But with this system, as you'll see, you can do deals virtually anywhere and spend only minutes a day to find dozens of potential tenant buyers. So how does it work? Well, all you have to do is set up a Zillow listing with your Creative REI Reply number and tell us when you want the open houses to be. That's it. So as you can see, they reach out in the system, they get the system explained to them, they pre-qualify themselves, they pick their tour date, and that's it. They go to the property and they get an application, and if they're interested, they apply. No more pre-qualifying over text, no more no-shows. You'll be able to have dozens of people go through your property every single week. And the best part is every person that reaches out your property, you get to build your tenant buyers list. So in no time, you have hundreds of past tenant buyers that you can utilize when you get your next property. All right, so you've seen how awesome Creative REI Reply can be for both buying and selling deals creatively. But there is one more secret that I wanted to show you, which is making sure once you get the hang of things, your real estate business scales with you and you don't start becoming the time bottleneck choking out your potential to do even more deals. So how do we address that? This is one of my favorite modules, which is the outsourcing training, where I show you exactly how to find a virtual assistant and hand you the videos to give to them to hire your texter and your opening caller, which will allow you to only do qualified leads. You'll be waking up with appointments made for you and only be closing deals, which means you're gonna be doing more deals in less time. So if you liked what you saw today and you think it is the perfect step in your next creative real estate journey to either get into real estate or start doing more deals, check out our webinar and see what we have to offer. See you there.